You've got a product that's ready for the Vietnamese market, but customs won't let it in. Your shipment is stuck. Retailers say you're not registered. Sound familiar? Every month, hundreds of foreign companies lose time, money, and trust, all because they failed to register their products properly with Vietnamese authorities. If your product isn't registered, you face border rejections, distributor refusals, random inspections, and heavy fines. Worse, you can't even advertise it legally online. Product registration in Vietnam is not one size fits all. It varies by industry, product type, and even packaging. That's why mistakes happen, and approvals get delayed. Most of our clients came to us after hitting legal walls, shipments blocked, applications rejected, or sales postponed for months. Sound like you? We can fix it. LTS Law has helped 300+ foreign companies successfully register cosmetics, food, medical devices, and more, from first-time startups to global brands. We don't just file forms. We study your product, identify risks, translate and legalize correctly, and work directly with the Ministry of Health, Food Safety Authority, and Customs. It all starts with correct product classification. Is your item a cosmetic, a functional food, a medical device, or a pharmaceutical? We help you label it right, legally. Depending on your product type, you'll need a range of supporting documents such as a certificate of free sale, ingredient list, testing reports, Vietnamese label content, and an importer license. At LTS Law, we help you gather or create all required documents from scratch and ensure they're formatted correctly for Vietnamese authorities. For cosmetics, we submit your Cosmetic Product Notification, CPN, to the Ministry of Health, using the ASEAN format and Vietnamese declarations. Selling vitamins or supplements, we handle the product self-declaration or full registration certificate, including lab tests and health claims approvals. For medical devices, we guide you through Class A to D approvals. Class C and D require complete dossiers, MOH validation, and testing protocols. Incorrect labels are the top reason for delays. We translate, adapt, and pre-approve your product labels to meet Vietnamese law before your shipment lands. We work with a wide range of clients, including foreign manufacturers looking to enter Vietnam, local importers who need regulatory support, distributors managing multiple SKUs, cosmetics and supplement brands launching new products, and medtech startups preparing for clinical entry. If you fall into any of these categories, we've likely helped someone just like you. Product registration timelines vary depending on the category, and it's important to plan ahead. For cosmetics, expect the process to take 1 to 2 months, depending on documentation and labeling accuracy. For medical devices, whether Class A, B, C, or D, registration can take 3 to 6 months, depending on risk level, testing requirements, and dossier review. At LTS Law, we manage the timeline for you, from day one to final approval, so your product hits the market on schedule without costly delays. If your distributor registers your product, they own it. That means you lose control. With LTS Law, the registration stays under your name, always. We track registration expiries, update certificates, notify you of regulatory changes, and handle renewals, so you stay legal always. No surprises. We quote upfront in English with no hidden fees, and we give you a full checklist of what you need and what we'll handle for you. Last year, LTS Law registered over 1,200 SKUs across 9 sectors, with a 94% first-pass approval rate. When we file, it gets done right. From Japan to the US, We work with international clients who want local legal power in Vietnam without hiring in-house regulatory teams. You'll get bilingual support from legal professionals, not call center agents. You'll know exactly who's managing your case and what's next. We have years of working with MOH, Customs, DOIT, and the Food Authority. Your paperwork doesn't go in cold. It goes in with a name they know. Our clients sleep better knowing their products are fully registered, compliant, and protected in the Vietnamese market. You can too. Ready to register your product in Vietnam? Visit lts.com.vn or book your free consultation with LTS Law today. We take care of the paperwork so you can launch with confidence.